This is a tutorial on the functions that you can use to search or sort the data for the Reach event leaderboard. Right now we are looking at the leaderboard for Peach, the practice event that was held last week. There is a lot of data contained on this leaderboard. You can search scores, the pools, the players, or scores for specific dates. Let's look at the functions that are available. On the upper right-hand corner, you will see a search box. This is a universal search box. If you type in a name, a pool title, or a score, this will search the entire database for you. Let's search the name Evans. As you can see, when you type in that name, it will search the entire database and bring up every player with the last name of Evans. You can use this search box to search for a specific pool or a specific score as well. You will also notice that under every column heading, there is another search box. Each of these search boxes can be used to search data in that specific column. So for example, if you wanted to see all of the entries in the clubs pool, if you went to the search box in that column and typed in clubs, it will bring up every entry that is listed in the clubs pool. If you wish to look up just a specific name, you again can type in a name here, and it will bring up that data. So these search boxes are used to search the data in a specific column. The other function is the sort function. Next to each column header, you will see these arrows. These arrows can be used to sort the data in each of the columns in ascending or descending order. If you click on the down arrow or the up arrow, it will bring up that data from highest to lowest or lowest to highest. Here we are sorting the pool column. It's now showing the pools from lowest to highest: clubs, diamonds, hearts, spades. If we hit the arrow the other direction, it will sort the column from highest to lowest: spades, hearts, diamonds, clubs. If you use the arrows to sort the columns for players, it will sort that data from A to Z or Z to A by the first name of the player. On each game day, you can search the data from highest to lowest score, again by clicking these arrows in each particular column. The other information that is available to you is used with the hover function. Hovering is holding your cursor over a particular word. Here, if you hover or hold your cursor over the word pool, it will show you the current divisions for the field strength for each of the pools, or the geomean for each pool. You can also hover over a particular score. When you hover over the score, it will show you the percentage that you had at the club and the field strength that you played in at the club that day. Please note that most of the time, your percentage for reach will be lower than your percentage scored at the club. This is because your scores are being match pointed board by board across a much larger field to arrive at your percentage for the Reach event. The last thing I would like to point out are these asterisks which you see next to certain scores. The asterisks denote the two best scores for that player. So if we look at Deborah, you can see that the two asterisks are next to her two best scores. For Reach, your two best scores will be used to determine your placement. Good luck in the event.